How do you see AI shaping economic policies and digital transformation in emerging markets in Pakistan?
Well, I think AI is likely going to affect Pakistan in the short term much less than many other economies, because again, I think Pakistan is more reliant on atoms today than bits, and the economies that are more reliant on bits, like the economy of India, is going to be more affected. And in their case, I think it will be affected in a negative way in the short term, and hopefully in the long term, everyone will be affected in a positive way. But as AI is going to affect everything in the long term. It's not something that any of us are going to escape from. And in general, I think it's going to be good, but there is going to be displacements. There are going to be losers. It will certainly be bumpy, and it could cause some strife. And so as a society, a global society, we're going to have to manage it and get through it, and really work on making sure that we use it for the power of good rather than what it also can be used for, which is destruction or other types of things that often we'll see this tension in any type of new technology, whether it's the internet or other types of dual-use technologies that have happened over the years.
So you believe that AI is a blessing, but at the same time, it can become, a challenge for this modern world, because they will take over a lot of jobs. They will take over a lot of market where human involvement will be very less. So it can be a serious threat for humans also.
In the short term, it will have a lot of displacement, and it will have a lot of difficulties for some people, also have a lot of opportunities for many new people as well. I do think even in the short term, AI will be a net good, but there will be winners and losers for sure as this happens, and both on the individual level, both within companies. There'll be companies that win and lose, and within certain societies and countries. We'll have countries that do better and countries that do poor based on AI. But in the long term, hopefully it will be a very, very good thing for our society as a whole, and it'll make everyone's life around the world much better. We should have less poverty. We should have less misery. We should have more creativity. We should have more innovation that will happen because of AI.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।